Hi students, problem number 9. Train A traveling at a speed of 30 km per hour overtakes train B in 72 seconds. So you can look at the first picture. So this is train A, it is traveling at a speed S1 and train B is also traveling in the same direction but with the speed S2. Okay. It is A is overtaking B in how many seconds is given? 72 seconds. But the speed of the train A is given, train B's speed is not given. If the train B travels in the opposite direction like this, if the train B travels in the opposite direction, then the train A takes just 24 seconds for train A to cross the train B, because the relative velocity will be greater in opposite directions. Find the length of the train B given that both trains are of equal length. So A and B are two trains having the same length. Okay. Train A is traveling at a speed of 30 km per hour. So I will first consider this S1 speed of the first train. And this is equal to what? 30 km per hour. So in meter per second it is 30 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So this is 6 into 3 this is 6 into 5 So 5 into 5 by 3 is 25 by 3. So 25 by 3 meters per second. That is the speed of the first train. Now speed of the second train is not given, means let us take it S2 is equal to X. Let X be the speed of the second train. And also both the trains are having the same length, is it not? Let us take the length of each train. The length of each train is L. L is the length of each train. So when train A is overtaking the train B which is traveling in the same direction, the distance travelled during the overtake is equal to twice the length of the train 2L. Is it not? What is the length of the train? It is from the distance from the engine to the last vehicle. So similarly, the distance from the engine to the last vehicle of the other train it has to overtake. So what is the total distance during the overtake is equal to L plus L is 2L. So what is the relative speed? The relative speed of train A with respect to train B, relative speed will be equal to what? This 25 by, that is 25 by 3 is the actual speed of the train A. And since it is overtaking in the same direction now, it is minus of X. The relative speed of the train A with respect to B traveling in the same direction is 25 by 3 minus speed of the second train X. Is it not? Speed of the first train minus speed of the second train. And this must be equal to the distance travelled is 2L. L plus L is 2L. And here what is the time taken is given is, first case it is 72 seconds. So this is 72 seconds and this is our equation 1. First equation, are you all understanding now? Both the trains are traveling in the same direction, means the relative velocity of the first train with respect to the second train is the difference between their speeds. So it is 25 by 3 meter per second minus X meter per second. That is equal to distance of two trains, is it not? The length. So L plus L is 2L and the time taken is 72. In the second case, the two trains are traveling in opposite directions in parallel tracks. So during the overtake, here also the distance is same 2L, but the time taken is how much? 24 seconds. Okay. But the relative speed in this case is what? The sum of the two speeds in opposite direction, means the relative speed of the first train with respect to second train is 25 by 3 plus X. Is it not? So this must be equal to, the distance is here also 2L and the time taken is 24 seconds is given, and this is equation number 2. Okay, so 2 equations we have framed. Up to these 2 equations, have you understood first of all? In the first case, relative speed of the 2 trains is what? Difference between their speeds. And in the second case, the relative speed is the sum of the 2 speeds. Now 2 equations are being formed. Now we have to add equation 1 and 2. Okay, when I add equation 1 and 2, on the left hand side you see that minus x and plus x get cancelled. Is it not? That is the idea. So adding 1 and 2. Now 25 by 3 minus x. So 25, I will write here, okay, 25 by 3 minus x plus 25 by 3 minus x. Here it is plus x, okay, minus x plus x. I have added the left hand sides. So what will happen when I add on the right hand sides? It is 2l by 72. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 2l by 72 plus 2l by 24. So 2l by 24. Now this minus and plus x get cancelled. So 25 by 3 plus 25 by 3 is equal to, now 2 and 72 is 1 by 36. 2 and 24 is 12. L by 12. So L by 36. So this is L by 36 plus L divided by 12. Taking 36 as the LCM. 12 3s are 36. So L plus 3L divided by LCM is 36. Now 25 by 3 plus 25 by 3 is what? 50 by 3. Is it not? 50 by 3. So left hand side will come as what? 50 by 3 is equal to, right hand side L plus 3L is what? 4L. 4L divided by 36. So this is 9 4s are 36. So this is equal to what? L by 9. Okay. 50 by 3 is equal to what? L by 9. I will rewrite on the other side. So L by 9 is equal to 50 by 3. Therefore, what is L is equal to 50 by 3 into 9. Okay. Now 3 3s are 9. So this 3 3s are 9. So this is equal to 50 multiplied by 3 is equal to 150. Therefore, the length of the train A is equal to the length of the train B, that is equal to the common length, that is equal to 150 meter. This must be the correct answer. So option B is 150 meter, is it not? Therefore option B is the correct answer. So this problem is based on relative speed. Very simple, okay. When 2 trains are traveling in the same direction means to overtake, it will take more time only like this, is it not? But when they are traveling in opposite directions, quickly it will overtake. That is why the time is, second case it is lesser than the first case, okay. So when 2 trains are traveling in the same direction means relative speed is the difference between their speeds, and in the case they travel in opposite directions, the relative speed is what? The sum of the 2 speeds. So using the concept of relative speed, the train problem we have solved. This is very important problem, and it has been asked many times in so many competitive exams with the different situations and different values of the speeds and the time taken. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.